Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create these super easy, inexpensive, home decor rustic chic candle holders. You do not want to miss out. Stay tuned and watch how I assemble this beautiful masterpiece. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment your thoughts below, and share this video with a friend. Also, we are giving away 2 free Cricut machines to 2 of our contestants. If you want to be a part of our giveaway for a chance to win, after this video, go to the elegantcreators.com/Cricut giveaway to apply. Let us know in the comment section if you have applied. I'm gonna take these 2 4-inch unfinished wooden sticks and these 2 cute little wooden plaques. I'm gonna go ahead and glue them to the top of these wooden plaques. I'm going to go ahead and set them aside to dry. I'm going to go ahead and take these mason jar lids, remove that top part. I'm going to add glue to the rim, to the bottom rim of the mason jar, of the lid. I'm going to go ahead and take my super glue and I'm going to glue my embroidery hoop to the top part of my candlestick. I'm going to glue it to the center of my candlestick. I'm going to take these 4 little mini cubes, wooden cubes. I'm going to go ahead and glue them together in a cube shape. Take these 2, put it together like this, side by side. Take the other 2, repeat the same process. And then I'm going to take these 2, I'm going to glue these 2 on top. You want to make sure that they are nicely aligned. I'm going to take my mason jar lid, face it upside down like this. My little block, cube block. I'm going to glue it to the top part of my mason jar lid. Let it dry for about 30 minutes. Now my cube is done drying from underneath my lid. I'm going to go ahead and take it and glue it in the center of the top part of my embroidery hoop. Now I am done spray painting both of my candlestick. I originally wanted to spray paint it silver, but I didn't have a silver spray paint on hand as I was shooting this video, so I decided to spray paint it white. So I might go back and spray paint it silver just because that's the color I wanted, but I don't hate the white spray paint as well because it gives me that rustic look, which I think also looks really nice. And if you would like, you can dress it up with some beautiful eucalyptus garland. So I'm going to dress it up with that on top like this. Put like a tea light candle. It's made out of wax and it looked the closest to the natural candle. So these are not real candle, these are LED candle pillars, but it looked so close to the real thing. And you can use battery operated, you can dim it, you can make it brighter if you'd like. So the thing I love about these cylinder vases is because it's open at the top and it's also open at the bottom, so which is perfect. Believe, guys, I got these cute little plaques from the Dollar Tree store. I did not know Dollar Tree store sell these little wooden plaques. So